Another quick tip for anybody that has a Jeep Wrangler that doesn't want to leave their garage door opener on their visor, kind of want to keep it stealth, just if you're parking in a public area or something and you want to make sure nobody sees your garage door opener. A real quick easy tip is to place the garage door opener in the roll bar. Just all you have to do right here in the corner above the driver's door is unzip right here. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so basically I just unzipped here. You can just grab your garage door opener and it'll actually fit right in here. And you can just simply zip it right back up. And if you want to, you can actually put the garage door in a Ziploc bag, and then that'll kind of keep it waterproof for when the top's off. But just an easy, quick tip, and just a stealthy way to keep your garage door opener hidden.